How to fix Slack notifications not working. So let's fix it in under 60 seconds. So first of all, open the Slack application. Tap onto your profile picture at the top right here. And tap onto pause notifications. Make sure they are set to all new messages or mentions and direct messages. And if you have paused the notifications, simply check it and turn it off. Now go to your phone settings and go to notifications of the app. Now go to Slack and simply tap onto notifications and make sure it is allowed, just like this. Now force close and reopen the Slack app. Simply close the app and reopen it. This refreshes notification sync. Still not working? Then simply log out and log back in. That usually does the trick. And that's it. This is how you can fix Slack notifications not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.